Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel where I share recipes, tips, and techniques with you. If you're new to the channel, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to make some St. Patrick's Day themed cupcakes. It's going to be a chocolate cupcake topped with a mint Oreo cookie frosting. Yum! For today's video, I've gone ahead and I've made my go-to chocolate cupcake recipe, which is really simple and produces a really nice cupcake, and I'll leave a recipe for that in the description below. I've added 6 mint Oreo cookies to my food processor, and we're going to blend these until they're fine crumbs, and this should equal about 1/4 cup. Here are the ingredients we're going to need for our mint Oreo frosting. 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, 6 mint Oreo cookies that I ground up earlier, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 cups of powdered sugar. I have some milk here in case our frosting's too thick and we need to thin it out. First, we'll cream the butter until smooth and fluffy, and then we'll add our powdered sugar, our cream cheese, and lastly, our ground mint Oreo cookies. So here's our frosting. I know it looks just like a regular Oreo cookie frosting. I'm not adding food coloring to it. Feel free to do that if you'd like a green color. I also didn't add any extra mint, like mint extract, because this has a nice, subtle mint flavor from the mint Oreo cookies that we added. And I don't feel it needs any more. But if you make this and you feel that you need more, feel free to add them in. So now we're gonna have fun and we're gonna start decorating our cupcakes. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna just frost all of these cupcakes. I filled a decorating bag with some frosting and attached a 1M tip to it, and I'm just swirling the frosting on the cupcake in a circular motion. All right, now we have all of our cupcakes frosted, and what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take some of these are Andes mint baking chips, and I'm going to just sprinkle them on top of the cupcakes. This is the bag. You can purchase this off of Amazon. That's where I got them because I couldn't find them in the grocery store. And I'm just gonna take the Andes mints and I'm just gonna sprinkle them on the cupcake pretty liberally. This is another reason I didn't add mint flavoring to the frosting, because not only do you have it with the mint Oreo cookies that I added to the frosting, but you're getting it here too with the Andes mints, and I didn't want it to be too overwhelming. Now we're gonna finish the cupcakes with mint Oreo cookies. These are the same cookies that I added to the frosting, and we're just going to put them on the cupcake like this, in case you didn't get enough green. I will warn you, these do not cut easily. A lot of times I went through a lot of cookies just to get the ones that I have. They are not perfect, as you can see, by any means. You can always eat the rejects or just push the end further into the frosting so you can't tell. So I went ahead and I put the cupcakes in a decorative wrapper. I baked them in this white wrapper, and then now they're in this nice decorative wrapper. I find that if you bake cupcakes in decorative wrappers, they never look like this. They don't look like that, and it kind of defeats the purpose. So just for a nice little festive St. Patrick's Day cupcake, this is what I did. And there you have it. Perfect St. Patrick's Day cupcakes. Not over the top, just right. Well, thanks for joining me today as we made our St. Patrick's Day cupcakes. If you like this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.